Welcome guys in the fifth episode of project management and accounting module. Under this module, I have created the fresh entity for my project management accounting learning. Over here, I am going to start with the project management accounting. Okay. So in the earlier classes, we have converted the project quotation to project module. Okay. In this class, we are going to start creating the contract. Okay, and I will tell you how to create the contract. So project management and accounting, and under the project management and accounting, I will show you the project which I have already created. So just a minute, let it be open. So I will go to my all projects. Okay, so now the project is open, and as you can see, this is created for PureSoft LLC, and it is a fixed price project. Under this project, we have also created a contract ID. So we need to have a contract ID also that I'm going to show you. So this is the project contract ID. If I click over here, I will see the project contract. Okay. For this particular project contract, I will add some billing rules. Okay. Because this is a fixed cost project based on the invoicing. So I will add the billing rules. Okay. I will create a line type as milestone. We can have a project based on milestone, progress, time and material, fee, and unit of delivery. Firstly, we will see the milestone. Okay, so we will go for the milestone, and under it we will give it a new milestone. So this milestone, the project date starts on 25th of, and the milestone one, we will give it a sales price of, let's say, 25,000. And the activity, we can link our activity as well. I think we have few activities, the analysis phase. So for the analysis phase, once the analysis phase is completed, I will have my sales price of 25,000 released from the client. Then there is a milestone 2. So milestone 2. Under this milestone, I will ask for another 25,000 asked from the client against the activity of development. Once my development is completed, this development will be completed on 25th of, or let's say for example 30th of November. Then I will click on the new button. There will be milestone 3. So this milestone is going to be completed, and the price will be reduced to 15,000 based on the development and UAT now. Okay. So these are the 3 milestones. Other milestone also we can cover. Milestone 4. So under this milestone, another 15,000 will be released when we are going to complete our go live. Okay. And then support, which is a milestone 5, we will add it in a later stage also, or here also we can add milestone 5. Okay. So the support will be of 5,000, and here it will be based on the ticket, so it is reduced to price, so I will go for the support. So there are 5 milestones I have defined over here, and I will save it. Further, there are many payment retention terms which you can enable. The retention percentage, how much retention, how much you want to retain. If there is a fee percentage or include indirect cost, that also we can add. But I will make it very simple now, and my contract is now created. Okay, so against the contract, I can do the invoicing. Now what I will do, I will go for the all projects. Now we will see how the execution of the project happens. So we will go to the project IDs. I will firstly work on the forecasting part. Okay, so forecasting is under the plan, where we will have maintain forecast. Okay, so we will use the transfer from WBS to project forecast. Okay, so we will transfer all our activities, okay, under this particular forecast. Okay, so what I will do, I will add a forecast model as well. So we don't have any model. What I will do, I will go for the view details and add a forecast model over here. Click on the forecast model. So model M1 I will type, model 1. Okay, and include cash flow forecast or not. use project date as the invoice date, forecast with WIP, work in progress. So work in progress on time and material, how you want to track your forecast. Okay. Automatic forecast reduction is required for expense, require sufficient remaining budget. And then I will click on the yes button. I will close it. And against this forecast, my is this model forecast, my it is not getting saved. Let me check. Forecast model is invalid. Let me check. Now, if I add it, I think I need to refresh this form again. So I will transfer it from WBS itself. Just a minute. Let me check if the WBS is there or not. WBS will be copied from the quotation part itself. So let me check if the WBS is there or not. So the WBS is there. We have analysis phase, design phase. Everything is considered in hours. Okay. So I will close it. Now I will use the transfer from WBS. So we will go ahead and there is no, I think it is asking for the item number. Yeah, now it is enabled. Okay. So I will click on OK. So this is actually for the forecasting part. If when you are going to forecast this particular, when you are going to use the forecast. Okay. So now my forecast, maintain the forecast action is done. Okay, so you can see the action over here. Forecast is having a no account number exists for account number type of cost. No account number exists for account type payroll allocation. So I hope you got the point from where I am getting this error. If I go to the project group over here, under the project group, I have not maintained the ledgers are required. Okay, account number exists for type cost of project. So where is the cost of the project? So these needs to be maintained for your project forecast. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet again and we will add the cost accounts over here. Okay. So thank you. Thanks guys.